side.
Oh, okay. Hit that other side so it's like a little even distribution. Yes.
All right. You want rice?
Yes. Thank you for your patience on this night.
All right.
Yeah,
You want
gotta wait.
chorizo?
Yeah, small. Like,
All right, give her a scoop of this
2.5
one.
spoons.
Two spoons. She said she wants of the meat.
Yeah, give me a good spoon and one spoon. Yeah, another spoon. Yeah.
You want shrimp?
Yes. Are you rolling it like a burrito? Tell her to line up in the middle. Roll it. We're gonna roll it. You never roll
so
nothing.
make it skinny right here.
You never roll nothing. You gotta put the meat in straight line, right down the middle. You not roll nothing. You not have to roll. That's how you do the taco. I know.
You're killing her.
I have to. It's Auntie Ashley.
You moving a little bit. You'll be faster on the other line.
No, you're good.
All right,
like
you want.
But to roll it, it's better when it's on the.
You want veg. You want.
I want everything.
You want everything.
So I was just letting you shout them out and you'd be like, yep, yep. Can you do veg before you do that? That's salsa. Will you lay veg first and then salsa? Yes. You want your filet like taco rice?
No, girl.
Give a mix. You mix it since you got here. You mix it
Yes.
since you got here.
I mixed it when I took it out.
Amigo.
All right. So then what we're going to do is give her another sprinkle to seal it up. And then it's going to go on the fire and melt up. And then when it comes off of the fire, we just slice it there, and you can. All right, Ashley, yours ready.